Hi everyone, and welcome back to my bedroom. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I got these waves. If you like what you see, please keep watching. We're going to start by sectioning off the hair. I just use my fingers. I'm on third day hair. I feel like my hair tends to hold a curl or a crimp when it's a little bit dirtier. Dry shampoo is my best friend. I sprayed a little bit of this on my hair. I use this one by Bedhead. I picked it up on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. So I take about this much hair. I have a little mirror here that I'm gonna use. I leave it there for about 5 to 7 seconds. If you guys have a suggestion of what product to use to have a curl or a crimp hold for more than a day, because this hairstyle, sometimes I'll wake up with like nice waves and then sometimes my hair is just flat. I don't know if I'm not using the right product before and after, but my hair is naturally curly, so when I curl my hair and I wake up and it's pinned straight, I'm like, what is going on here? Why can't my hair hold a curl? I always wondered if it's because I got the Saison treatment. It's like that keratin treatment that is, my hair is, like I said, naturally curly and it's frizzy. So I started getting these treatments called Saison, and I love them. I've gotten like 3 so far. I think it's like once every 6 to 7 months or something like that. So I wonder if it's, but no, because I remember even before those treatments, I would blow dry my hair and straighten it, and or I would blow dry my hair and curl it, and the next day my curls would they completely die. So maybe I'm just not using the right products. This is what I took such a small section. My thumb's starting to hurt. I gotta use my other hand to help my thumb. All right, so the bottom is done. Now let's do the top. Let's start with the right side first. I try to take big chunks because if not, it just takes forever. If it can stay like this all, like the rest of the week, for the rest of the week, I'd be happy. And I just like dry shampoo it. I just choked on my saliva. Lord have mercy. So for the front, I try to like start at my brow. So I take this part, ooh, I don't want to burn myself, and like line it up with my brow, and then just start from there. Line it up. See where the little wave starts at the tip of the brow. The other day I did my hair like this for an event, and there was like one chunk of hair that did not want to take the wave. Like it was just like frizzy as shit, like just chilling right here, out of place, didn't match at all with the other strands. I was like, what? I had to like put a ton of product on it, like defrizz product, and hit it with the iron like 3 times. I was like, are you effing kidding me? It's funny because once I get to the other side, I'm like already losing. Like I'm already like, okay, this needs to hurry up. I want to be done with this. So one side be coming out all nice, and the other side, be all beat up. What do you guys think of this red lip? I don't really use big colors like this on my lips much, but I think it's cute. By the end of the night, I'm gonna have a stripe of red up my face. Has that ever happened to any one of you guys? Like you have or it's on your teeth. That's why I'm like, you know what? I'm not doing red, but I think it's so cute. Just checking if it was on my teeth. Maybe my hair isn't holding this wave because of this waver. What do you guys think? Do you guys recommend another waver that is better than this one? I mean, this is the second one I've bought from Amazon. The first one, I don't even think I have the first one anymore. I couldn't use it. It was too difficult, and I didn't like how it waved the hair. Like it just wasn't, I didn't like it. This is the first one that I got that I kind of liked, but it just doesn't hold the wave, you know, the next day. The hair problem. So same as the other side, I try to line this up with my brow. Voila. All right, let me turn this bad boy off. Then I go in with this Wow product that my mom put me on. She like swears by these. I got the little one because I was like, they're kind of pricey. So I was like, let me get the little one, see if I like it. I like it. I feel like it does control frizz, and my hair is very frizzy. So I take about that much, just. So yeah, guys, this is how I get this beachy, wavy. I mean, is this considered a beachy, wavy look? This wavy look.
That completes this video. Comment down below any questions you have or suggestions on how I can keep this wave longer than a day. Thank you so much, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Have a great day.